Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you a Snap Addy use case. Social selling is key in today's business world, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of business networks like LinkedIn and updating or creating new contacts in Microsoft Dynamics. To give you a bit of an insight on why social selling is so important, roughly 75% of B2B buyers and 84% of top-level decision makers use social media to make purchasing decisions. And more than 50% of revenue across 14 industries is generated by social sales. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Snap Addy LinkedIn integration to achieve these goals. As you can see, I'm in LinkedIn right now, and I've got a contact open, Tobias, and right underneath, I've got the Snap Addy button, or if I'm in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've got the Snap Addy button here on the right. By simply clicking on the Snap Addy button, it takes all the information from the LinkedIn profile and automatically adds it to my data quality solution within Dynamics. Now, with the duplicate check, we can see that the account already exists, but the contact does not. We can also see that some of the information might need to be refined or updated, so simply click on the Company Data button here, and we have different results, for example, from the web page or from Google Maps, and we can choose individual pieces of information, for example, the address, the industry, and also the VAT number, and apply these three values. We can also see that we don't have a direct email address for Tobias, so simply click on our email validator, and it shows us the likelihood that this is the direct email address for Tobias. So we'll select that, and with a couple of clicks, we've refined the data, and we can save it and open it within Dynamics. We can now see the contact has been created and automatically connected to the existing account. It's that easy. So as you can see, updating your CRM with data quality has never been easier. According to a survey, 29% of respondents believe you can significantly increase revenue by improving data quality. So if you're interested, please sign up for our 2-week free trial with Snap Addy Data Quality.